Let me show you how your local Indian restaurant makes saag. So saag paneer, saag aloo, whatever you want to. So basically it's a spinach sauce made with cashew nuts, spices, onion. So that's about it really. And it's yum. Right guys, I am an absolute massive fan of Indian food. I'm always cooking it and I'm always bloody eating it. I even have it for brekkie. I don't know if it's because I'm British, I've no idea, but yeah, I've just got a love for it. I just like the way Indian food comes together. Now, here's 2 massive bags of spinach, and trust me, this is just going to go down to nothing. It's literally like you're cooking with air. The full recipe and ingredients are on my website or in the description. Website address is www.shaycooper.com. So head over there, guys, and I have recently just put the saag paneer recipe on there. Now, I have actually just done a dairy-free paneer cheese recipe as well, so if you want to make it dairy-free, you're able to do so. 100% gluten-free, this recipe, like normal. Full of flavour, really is authentic. Trust me on that. If you have this at your Indian restaurant, you're not going to tell the difference. Look at that bright green colour. It is absolutely amazing. I just can't wait, to be perfectly bloody honest, is to get my hands on this for my dinner, because that's what I am making it for. So we're doing a nice little veg a couple of times a week, and this recipe is ideal for that.